I got a signal to go long. This is the pound US dollar. So I will place a buy trade and stop loss goes underneath. Take profit goes up to the lines. They do tell us where we need to place our take profit, and we will modify this trade as this trade continues. So right now we're in a long trade looking for a nice tidy win. I'll put the video on pause. I will be back right away. Some trade management has occurred and market is moving nicely to our target. When we get a little bit closer, I'll come back and hopefully we can see it taken out of the trade. Well, price is getting closer and closer to our target, and we are just about there. I'm holding my breath. Let's have price hit that line. Once it touches that line, we'll be out of the trade. You know that saying, a watched pot never boils. That's exactly what this is like. We're so close to having our take profit hit, and staring at it seems to take so much longer. Price did pull back, and we've got a new candle started, and this looks like it will maybe do the same thing. Hopefully not. We'd like to see it just break through, tag our, there we go. Our take profit was hit. This was a nice, fairly clean trade. Let's throw on the arrow so we can see exactly how this trade played out. So we entered the trade on this big bullish blue candle. This was the signal to go long. The setup was clear as day. Market did kind of chop a little bit sideways, but no big deal. It did eventually move exactly the way we wanted to, hit the target that we were looking for it to hit. And again, at the end of the day, we made just over $1,000, $1,110 on a trade well played. This is the pound US dollar, and this one took just over half an hour to play out. So $1,000 in about 40 minutes. That's always a good day.